We're excited to introduce our newest feature, Notebooks, which gives you both control and flexibility over your analysis. This feature provides a notebook-style interface with an AI agent to explore, iterate, collaborate, and automate your analytical process. If you love building blocks, then you're going to love Notebooks. Start a notebook by uploading a file and telling Julius what you want to analyze, just like our Threads feature. From here, you can start exploring your data with our suggested prompts or build exactly what you need because you already know what you want. When it comes to building your steps, add cells, your building blocks, for any extra steps you want to add, or remove or edit the cells without losing the full context of your analysis. Because cells are broken into individual blocks, you can rerun parts of the analysis without having to run the entire notebook. This lets you refine your outputs without needing to restart your conversation from the very start, and keeps you focused on the exact part of the analysis you're working on. When it comes to choosing a cell type, there's a lot of options, such as give Julius a prompt, upload a specific file, ask for a user response, and for that extra level of repeatability, paste code you got from a prior Julius run, bring in your own code, or write your own code. Once you finish your notebook, invite teammates for a final check or help with specific sections. Everyone can add or remove sections and see where others are working. Ready to share your analysis? Put those finishing touches on. Create headers, summary sections, and more to give others the context. Finally, and one of my favorite parts, save the notebook as a reusable template that you or your team can run again and again. Automate your repetitive work. Build a notebook once, run all cells anytime you want the specific analysis, and get your insights and charts in just a few minutes. Need to present at your monthly business review the same analysis? This is exactly for you. We've made the experience intuitive and easy to use, whether you want automation, exploratory analysis, or anything in between. If you're ready to power up your analysis experience, get started with Notebooks today and let us know your thoughts.